the mess I made filming. The oil looks normal. I thought it would have shown some water, but none. I couldn't see anything. I don't know where to begin. When I've started this project, it was meant to be a fun and short in time project. Just slap on some coilovers, wheels, paint the goddamn thing, and we'll be done. But then I've decided to do the head gasket, and the thing is, I've on another project I've had in the past, I don't know if anyone can relate, but I've kind of burned myself out on the project, actually. As weird as it sounds, but that was the case. It just felt like there was no fun in it, and so on. But that's the past now, and well, here I am. I just feel like kind of an idiot when just trying to do what I felt was a funny thing to do this project, and then diving into I don't know, maybe unnecessary, but at the same time, at the end, I think I'm gonna be happy with the choice of doing the head gasket replacement. But yeah, I just wanted to start off this video with this message, and I hope you will enjoy the video. It's gonna be a lot of time lapse, I guess, so just doing the things that has to be done. So without further ado, let's continue the video. Det är som vanligt. Missar en jävla... Man har tittat här hela tiden. Så missar man den. Alltså det är så jävla sjukt. Har varit med om det här förut. Det är helt jävla otroligt. Piss. finally got the head off, and you can actually see we got some water in. All right, I don't know if that came in now. Whatever. And I decided to remove the head with the exhaust manifold on, because that would have been a bitch to get off in the car. So I'm glad I did what I did. Yeah, more to come. And yes, I will get lights and set it up in the roof here, because all lights I got in the garage stops there, and the hood is obviously in the way, so I always have to have my headlamp. That doesn't work really good, especially when filming. So I will get some new light until I make the reassembly. Remove the headers just to check them, because if I hadn't done that and there was a exhaust leak, I would have been very angry with myself for not checking that and change the gasket, which I've ordered some new, and it looks it looks actually very good. The only thing was that I broke a stud, or what do you say, the bolt there. But other than that, it looks really good. So what's the plan now? Waiting for the gasket, cleaning the engine, and just get ready for reassembly, because yeah, everything else looks fine. So I'm looking forward to that. Just a lot of cleaning to do. I'm just gonna show some process where I am right now. I've cleaned the head, what do you say, the head of the pistons a little bit, just a little bit. And I've got the head cleaned, as clean it a bit with as much as I could, with some razor, brake clean, and vacuumed. Let's just move on and start the reassembly with everything. This mess is getting me anxiety. I just want to move on, so let's go. So just a quick little update about this this header. It was a total bitch to get the broken stud out, and I've done this many times before. You weld on a nut on the broken bolt, and you can just thread it out, and the heat usually makes it loose. This made me really fucking mad, so I made a, what would you call this? A cheap solution I got a new bolt stud and welded it on, and hope if it works, it works. So no more bullshit on that. Quick update. Obviously got the head on and the cover on, cams and all that, and we've set the cams as it should be. The timing belt is on and it's all aligned and all that. I think we will just continue with the reassembly of everything else. Yeah, we will be on a good way to finish. Yeah, I think pretty much done. I had to change out or replace a lot of these rubber connections, what do you say, to the vacuum lines, like this for example. And this I took a silicone hose and put it on there and over there, because They were really bad. They were falling apart and cracking. And we got the catch can in. I've got a little bracket here holding it in place, and we have the line going from the oil trap under there and in here, and then the out one goes here and into the intake before the throttle body. So I'm gonna end the video here. We're just gonna fill up with oil, coolant, check for leaks, obviously hooking up the battery, and then we're gonna start it up. So the next video I will start the car up, see if I have any leaks, etc, etc. And if you watched this to the end, I'm very happy that you did. Hope to see you in the next video.